Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 59 on hashtag ASR99 Days Data Science Challenge, and today's topic is how to create bar plots with the help of our matplotlib package. So what is a bar plot? A bar plot is nothing but a graphical representation of a particular categorical variables that can be measured based on their height, that is the quantity they have. So let's get started. In order to create a bar plot, we use a function bar. Firstly, let's import our matplotlib package. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and we have successfully imported. And now, so in order to create a bar plot, firstly let's create some values. So let's say students, and in which let's take Adit, then Sri, and let's say Ram, and then the marks scored by every student, let's say 90, 84 and 76. And I have to list where this students list will be on my x-axis, that is Adit, Sri and Ram, and I will create a bar plots based on the scores they got. So let's create a bar plot now. plt.bar, and in which I will pass the first parameter that will pass is the values that I want in my x-axis. So here I want my students to be on the x-axis, and the height, the quantity of measure I want is to be my marks. And then, so firstly let's run this, and here we got it. So in order to remove this line, we use our show function, plt.show, and now here we got it. So now let's say you want to thicken this width, or let's say you want to lean this thickness of your bars. In order to do that, we will use the parameter width. By default it is set to 0.8, and now let's change it to, let's say, 0.2, and here we can see the difference. We have another parameter named bottom. So with the help of our bottom parameter, we can change the bottom point where our bar starts. So here we can see that our every bar starts from 0, and now let's say you want your bars to start from 20. So in order to do that, we will use our bottom parameter and set it to 20, and now here we can see the difference. And now let's create a new variable named w, where I'm setting the values 0.5, 0.3 and let's say 0.7. So why did I create this variable? Now let's say you want to have a separate width of separate bars. In order to do that, we can use this. So we have three categories here, that is Adit, Sri and Ram, or three students here, and so that I have created a list of three values in my width. So now I will pass in the list w over here, and now here we can see that we have different widths for different bars, and also we can do the same for our bottoms too. And now let's say I want 10 for Adit, 45 for Sri and 30 for Ram, and now instead of 20 we will pass in our variable b, and here it is. Here we can see that Sri starts from 45 and Ram from 30 and Adit from 10. And we have another parameter named align. So with the help of our align parameter, we can align our bars. So let's do that. Align, by default it is set to be center. So here we can see that our bars are at the center of our variables. So now let's say I want to set it to edge, and now here we can see that they have aligned to the left edge. So let's say now you want to change them to the right edge. In order to do that, we cannot directly align them based on the right edge. So in order to do that, we will use our width parameter and change it to negative 0.8. And now here we can see the difference. Now they have been aligned to the right edge. Finally, let's look at the keyword arguments. So we can also use the keyword arguments like color, where I am setting it to red, and here they are. Also the line width, let's say 10. So as the line width and the color are of the same color, we cannot differentiate them. So let's change the edge color to be blue, and yeah, here we got it. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. And in this video we looked at how to create bar plots, and we looked at the other parameters that we can use in our bar plots. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.